guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another beauty haul video. Now if you have been following up, you would know that I had ordered all of these items a couple of weeks back and I promised to do the haul, and this haul is especially loaded up with Hyphen products because I really wanted to try them out, the new launches on that rice water variant. So yeah, I kind of went overboard. So now without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off with non-Hyphen brands because I purchased like 3 products apart from the Hyphen brand. So first that I have is like a stock up. This is the Plum E-Luminance Cleansing Balm. Now I was using this Aqualogica cleansing balm. I still have it. It is going to go in one of my product regrets or purchases, whatever video that is going to be. And I really want to finish that up. With that, I also wanted to stock up on the Plum E-Luminance Cleansing Balm because it's the best cleansing balm in the affordable category. I love the Clinique cleansing balm, but I don't want to spend that much money right now. It's completely unnecessary. So I picked up this one. It is going to be great for removing makeup, especially this makeup that you see, and also in general for double cleansing because I do double cleanse every day because I wear a lot of sunscreen. So this is the first product. The second is again like a restock, and you would have seen in my videos before. This is the Dove deodorants. Now I actually bought this before I bought my Sol de Janeiro restocks because I didn't know that they would go on good discounts during the sale. So yeah, before that I had only purchased these two. So I have the Dove Advanced Care, which I'm planning to use in the later part of the year, and currently I've already started using it's a bit dirty. It's the Dove Beauty Finish. These are the best underarm deodorants that you can find in the market. Just look at them. I've started to use it. Smells great, gives it nice dry touch feel, and yeah, it lasts really long. So stocked up on these two. Now that we're done with this, I have a lot of Hyphen products. And when I say a lot, I really mean it. Okay, one just fell, but I have a lot of them. So let's get into it. I really wanted to do a full-fledged Hyphen review, which you guys will be seeing up pretty soon. So I placed an order, and if you see my hyped viral products video, I also purchased Hyphen's infused lip balm in the variant Hazel and the dew drops. But this is going to be about their new launch, which is their brightening daily cleanse range. So the first thing that I picked up is the Hyphen's rice water daily cleanser brightening. None of these products are used yet, so I'm just showing you the haul, but I love the packaging. I love the white and baby pink, and the kind of details they've put into the packaging is great. Like they've got messages and everything written. So the first thing that I got is the rice water face cleanser. This cleanser, I've used their yellow bottle cleanser. Again, it's a beautiful cleanser. I love using Hyphen cleansers, and I love the packaging also, quite good and compact. So the first thing that I got is this cleanser. Then I'm just gonna go randomly. Then I picked up the vitamin infused brightening sunscreen with SPF 50. Now I did try out the sunscreen. It's a really good sunscreen, not gonna lie. Again, all of these products are really affordable, like below 500 rupees. So I picked up this sunscreen. It comes in this sort of a packaging. I did try it once, not more than once, but it was good one-time use as well. So again, I need to try it out a couple of more times to give you guys a proper review. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I picked up this. The next thing that I picked up was the Hyphen's Advanced Depigmentation Serum with tranexamic acid, kojic acid, pineapple extract and licorice extract. So they had 2 of these dark spot corrector anti-pigmentation serum, and you guys know I'm all about that. So I picked it up. I love the packaging, very glass and good quality, and yeah, I have used it twice. It's good. I need to use it for a month at least to give you guys a proper review. So this is what I got from their pigmentation range. There is another serum. Okay, so if you guys follow me for a really long time, you would know that I do use retinol once a week or once in 2 weeks. I think I've stopped using retinol for the past 1 month because I ran out of it. So I gave my skin a break. Now, once you turn 25 plus, you need to start using retinol, or you turn 30 plus, you need to start using retinol, depending on how your genetics are, how your skin texture is, skin issues. Now, I personally feel that instead of doing that, I wanted to make my skin more campaign to retinol because again, the formulations, the kind of way it'll react differs from skin to skin. So what I started doing is from this year, I started introducing retinol to my skincare once in a week or once in 2 weeks so that my skin knows how it feels. I would use multiple retinol serums, good quality serums, so that way my skin is also also a campaign to these different formulations. I don't want that suddenly I start using retinol and my skin is reacting, which a lot many times happen if you're a person who've never used retinol and start using retinol. Again, in retinol, you've got your retinoid and retinol as well. So I was using the Plum retinol, and I think since 1.5 months I stopped using it, so I gave my skin a break. I finally got my hands on the 0.1% Retinol Reset Serum Pro from Hyphen. I actually checked out the reviews, and to be honest, this is a really good retinol serum from Kriti Sanon, and I actually tried it out on my body. It's pretty good. I love the texture, the color is yellow, and the packaging is so cute, purple color, just how I like it. So it's their retinol serum. Now I'll start using it once a week and give you guys a feedback, like is it reacting or not. Now of course the actual review or the actual feedback you would see on my face eventually down the line, probably 10 years later, because that's what it's supposed to do. It's just like an added anti-aging benefit sort of thing. So yeah, if you're someone who are above 25 in your late 20s or in your 30s and 40s, please start using retinol. So I picked this one up. Then I've got last two products. So this one is the Hyphen Yuzu Bright Dark Spot Corrector Serum. Like I told you, they had two of these serums. One was the depigmentation one. So this one has got alpha arbutin, yuzu extract, kojic acid and niacinamide. So I'm planning to use this in the daytime, and yeah, I haven't tried it out yet. So let's see how this one works out. But yeah, I got my hands on this serum. So we're gonna put this, and the last thing that I have is the moisturizer. How can I not get the moisturizer? So this is the Hyphen's Pigmentation Corrector Daily Cream, and it's with kojic acid, glycolic acid, licorice root extract and ceramide. Now this was a bit of a disappointment because I love the Hyphen's yellow moisturizer. Okay, so I finally got it. So this is the moisturizer that I have and I love, and it's almost over. I'm saving it up for the review. So this is the Hyphen's Barrier Care Cream and Ceramide Peptides Tamanu Oil Cica Extract. So I got this. Now look at the packaging. It's beautiful. It's a glass packaging, right? So I was expecting the same from this one. So again, you see the size, everything is same, but this is a plastic packaging. It's their very cheap quality plastic packaging. I don't know why she did that, but okay, the pump and everything is same. The formulation is good. I did try it out. It's actually a really nice hydrating moisturizer, but I am still going to, even if it will be wonders, I'm still going to go back to this moisturizer from Hyphen because the packaging is so good. So I think they should work on the packaging. I don't know why they changed from a glass packaging to such plastic packaging, but yeah. So guys, that was my beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.